SEO keyword research is the process of finding words or phrases that your potential audience are searching across search engines and then optimizing your content to rank for those keywords. This is one of the most crucial aspects for your website, because without SEO, your website is not going to rank and you're not going to get any organic traffic. Before heading into explaining the keyword research process, I have to explain the types of keywords that you need to target. The first one is the primary keywords, which are your services and niche keywords. So if you are a math tutor, you're probably providing online math tutoring, that's a keyword. GCSE math tutor, that's a keyword. A-level math tutor. So these are your service and niche related keywords. Then you have location based keywords. So if you are a private tutor, you have to add in your locations alongside those keywords. So for example, of a math tutor, instead of online math tutor, is going to be math tutor in your area. So math tutor in LA, math tutor in Austin or California. Then there is like chemistry tutor near me. Okay, so these are location based, it's going to be around your area. Then there is long tail keywords, which are usually content related. So if your students are searching for a solution to their problems, these are those keywords. For example, how to improve SAT math score, or if they're having problem with algebra or calculus, they're going to search a long tail sentence or multiple keywords on that topic. So that's the third kind of keyword. And the fourth is question based. So how to study for X exam, or how to get X results in this, or how to improve my Spanish within 1-2 months. This kind of content are question based. Okay, so let's head into the keyword research process. The first step is to get a research tool such as SEMrush, Href, Ubersuggest, or Google's keyword planner. SEMrush and Href, they are quite expensive and I don't recommend them for tutoring businesses. Ubersuggest, on the other hand, has a budget friendly option. It's around $10 to $12 per month, I think. So if you are going to focusing on content creation, I highly recommend getting this tool in the future when you learn more about SEO research. But the free option is Google Keyword Planner. I'll show you how you can use Google Ads to access this. Okay, so if you click on the link here, Google Keyword Planner, and log into Google Ads, you're going to be on the home page. And from the home page, simply go to Tools and go to Planning and go to Keyword Planner. Once you're here, click on Discover New Keywords and select your location. If you're location based, select your exact location, or if you are international, just skip this and save. Okay, let's use math as an example. So I'll type in, remember that in the first type of keyword we said that your primary keywords are service based keywords. So type in your services and try to find other keywords related to your services and niche. So that's math tutor, online math tutor, GCSE math tutor, A-level. Okay, let's see, get results. All right, now we have typed in 4 primary keywords. Here they're showing how many monthly searches each of these keywords are getting on average. I have to mention Google Keyword Planner is not accurate compared to the paid SEO platforms. So this number here, this is for international, and it may not be exactly accurate, but it's an approximation. No SEO tool is highly accurate on the numbers. They're always providing estimations. So it's good enough for us to take these numbers. Okay, so this means, what does that means is, on average, around 10 to 100,000 people or 100,000 searches happen per month for the keyword math tutor. That means more than 10 to 100,000 search on Google happens on the keyword for these two keyword, math tutor, online math tutor. Similarly to GCSE math tutor is 1,000 to 10,000, and on here for competition it shows that it has medium competition. The A-level math tutor has high level competition, and these were the primary keywords we have searched for. Now Google will provide you with a lot of other ideas. So what are the other keywords your audience are searching for? So these are like calculus tutors near me, algebra tutors near me. As I've mentioned previously that tutors, you will have niche related keywords. So if you are a calculus expert and creating content on this on calculus, or providing services related to this keywords is going to help you optimize your content and rank on Google. So yeah, now you have to take notes of this keyword. You have to also take notes of the average monthly searches and the competition. If you're not running advertisement, then there is no need to put in this data of top of the page bid or low range or high range. But if you're running advertisements, you can note them, but I recommend just to ignore them for the moment, because most of the time tutoring businesses, they work with ads agencies for their ads, so they take care of this stuff. So for you, just note your monthly searches and competition. To give you an example of how you can note them in Google Sheet, here is a document. So simply we have listed the primary keywords. These are called the seed keywords. These are the keywords we have typed in, like the ones are your services or your niche related, and then the other ones are collected from Google, what Google has suggested, and we have written down their monthly searches and the competition. We've also written that this cost per clicks. You can simply ignore it. Now, once you have written down these keywords, the second step is to analyze the search volume versus competition. Now, what does that mean? So here, if we look at the 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches with medium competition, you have to understand that ranking, if the competition is low, is much easier for you to rank for this keyword compared to when it's medium or high. Okay, the monthly searches also plays a crucial role. For example, you don't want 0 to 100 monthly searches. Now, what does that mean? If you have 1,000 to 10,000 monthly searches and your website ranks in number 1 on Google for this keyword, A-level math tutor, you are going to get around 40% of these monthly searches. So if we take the lower end, that's gonna be 400 views per month organically, if you're able to rank your article or your pages in number 1. So now let's say this keyword had, like, for example, local math tutors near me. This keyword only have 100 to 1,000. Okay, as I've said, this is not accurate, so let's take the lower end. Now 100, 40% of 100 is just 40. So if you choose this keyword as the main keyword for your content, you're gonna get 40 views. That's really low, so that's not good enough to target. That's why the monthly searches is going to help you understand which keywords to target and which isn't. The best option is to target keywords that have 100 to 10,000. This way the competition is gonna be like medium competition is great. If higher competition, you're gonna have a very hard time, and you need to build your backlinks for months to compete against the websites that is ranking in the top. Okay, so go for 100 to 10,000 searches. They are the right keywords, and go from medium to low competition. Also, now you have to understand the search intent. Each of this keyword has different search intent. Now, how you can find the search intent? So to find the search intent, open an incognito page and search for the keyword, for example GCSE math tutor. Okay, and look at the top pages and videos that are ranking. What type of content are they? Are they service related pages where they're promoting their services and have their pricings, or are they content where they're creating or sharing educational topics? If it's educational, that means the intent is educational. People aren't looking to buy for that keyword, they're looking to get information and understand the topic. But if the top pages are service related pages or pricing related pages, that means people are looking to buy or they are looking for services. So intent matters, so write down the intent beside your keywords. I haven't done it here, but you can just simply add either informational or commercial. This way you will be able to understand which keyword needs what type of content. Okay, so if a keyword is informational, that means you also need to create a page that is informational, so a blog or a landing page that provides answer to a question or topic. This way you are going to be able to target that keyword and match the user intent. The last step is to analyze your competitors. This one is quite hard to explain. It's a very long process into SEO research. So I have highlighted an article which you can read here to learn more about keyword research for SEO. So the last point of SEO research is organizing keywords by page and section. Now, what does that mean? Once you have your SEO research document, you have to align which keyword is going to be the primary keyword target for which pages. For example, if you are a math tutor, right, and you are providing GCSE maths, A-level maths, maybe university maths, let's say, okay, so your home page is not going to be targeted to GCSE maths, it's going to be targeted to maths tutor. That's the main keyword your home page is going to target. But you'll have separate service pages for each of your sub niches. So GCSE maths, you're going to have a GCSE maths page that's going to target the GCSE maths keyword. You're going to have A levels, you're going to have a university, three different service pages targeting 3 different keywords. Similarly, you're going to have more pages to write blogs. For example, as we have mentioned previously, that we have long tail keywords and question based keywords which are content related. You will have to write blog articles targeting those keywords. This way you're able to rank your articles for that keyword. One last thing, I recommend that if you are serious about getting organic traffic through content creation, either by writing blogs or articles or creating content on social media, I highly recommend you to learn the basics of SEO research, because SEO isn't just about Google or website. Social media algorithms also follow SEO rules. So I have provided a book here, a link for the book, How to Get to the Top of Google. This is written specifically for business owners, so it's going to be easy for you to understand. I highly recommend that you should check out this book.